guys, I'm Shrimay. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a top 10 under 10 video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then basically I'm going to show you my top 10 products under $10. I've already done a video like this few months back, and that was my top 5 under 5, where I have mentioned 5 of my beauty products or makeup products under $5, and you people liked it so much and told me to do more often. So I thought of doing one of these, and this time I thought of doing top 10 under 10 so that you people can find few more stuff, as I'm going to show you 10 beauty items in this video. So yeah, if you want to see what are the beauty items or what are the makeup products under $10 which I like the most, then keep on watching. So the first product under $10 is this foundation. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Foundation, and I'm in the shade Sun Beige, which is 85. I have shown you guys this foundation I think in one of my favorite video. I love this foundation a lot. Even I love this foundation more than my Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless foundation. This will give your skin a beautiful finish. It has that matte finish to it, but it is not going to give you a very cakey or very ashy look on your skin. So I like this foundation a lot. It has this SPF 15, but I never feel like it gives me that, you know, white cast or that flash photography. I love this so much, you guys. If you are in a hunt to get a beautiful foundation, you know, in drugstore under $10, then definitely give this a try. You won't regret it, trust me. And I think I got it for around 9.99 from Target or something. You can definitely find this foundation even from Amazon. I know it is not available in India, but there are few sites where you can purchase some of these beauty items or makeup item which is not available in India. I'm not affiliate to any of these guys. I'm just, you know, trying to help you guys so that people can find out some of this stuff if you want to try. I'll link their website in the description box below, or else somewhere here. I'll write it down. I think I have mentioned these in my July favorite also. There is one website like who normally sells this makeup product which is not available in India, but the price is quite high. Even I have seen it is like almost twice the normal price. But if you want to try, definitely do try it. There is also one more site I think which is based in US, and if you purchase for around $60 I think, then the shipping is free to India. So yeah, I'm really not sure. I haven't shopped from their website, so I don't have any personal experience. But if you want to try, then I'll link their website somewhere here or in the description box below. Also, I like that it comes with a pump, so you can definitely have that control not to waste so much of product. It will give your skin a very healthy finish, and it will make your makeup looks so beautiful. Okay, so the next one I'm talking about is a concealer which I don't have right now with me, but I'll show you the pic over here. It is a Maybelline Aged Wine concealer. You people know that I love that concealer so much, and I have used that concealer in so many of my videos previously, but I have recently run out of that concealer. I have to pick that up because I like that is my holy grail concealer, guys. It has that twisted form and it has that cushiony applicator over top of to that concealer, so it is very easy to apply. Also, I normally use that concealer even sometime when I don't want to apply my foundation. I just apply it a little bit under my under eye area, a little bit on my, you know, T-zone area, and then I just blend it out using a beauty blender, and that's pretty much it for my base. So yeah, that's come around for I think $6 or $7. So yeah, that's the second one. So the third product is a blush, and this is the product which I'm talking about. This is the 10 blush palette from Coastal Scent. I got this I think last or 1 year or 2 years back, and I have been still using, you guys. So this is the product which I'm talking about. There are 10 blush ranging from light shade to dark bright shades. $10 for 10 blush. It's like you are paying $1 for each blush, and you can never go wrong with this. I'm not sure how much actually the price is, but there is always sale going on in the Coastal Scent website, and even I purchased this when there was a sale going on, so I just paid for only $10. This is so much pigmented, you guys. Okay, let me give you guys this swatch. I don't say this is the most beautiful or very good high quality blush palette, but for the price range you are getting so much of product and so many variety of product. Like, okay, can you guys see that? I've only shown you 4 swatches, like 4 of the blushes. So there you are going to get some of the light pink dusty mauve shades, some of the neutral like very light peach brown undertone shade, some of the very bright pink shade. This here is a little coral blush, and these two are more little bit of dark, which will be better in the fall and winter. So for the price range, you are getting 10 blush for $10. I think this is a steal. If you are a makeup artist, or even if you are trying to learn makeup, I think you are going to get these many products. Probably you don't need much if you buy only one of these palettes. So yeah, that's the third one. The next part is a eyeshadow palette, and this is the e.l.f. Made for Matte palette, and there you go. Those are all the eyeshadows. So there are 10 eyeshadows here in this palette, starting from very neutral to dark or the black eyeshadow. Also, you people have seen me using this eyeshadow in so many of my tutorials. Like, continuously I use this eyeshadow, especially on my crease and to add as my transition color, as it has a very neutral color and even few of the darker shades, so you can never go wrong with this palette. Also, I want to mention that this is not the greatest palette I have seen, but for the price range it is very good. If you are starting into makeup and you don't want to spend a lots of money, but you still want to create makeup look, using some affordable makeup product, because I have seen drugstore is lacking of some of the matte eyeshadow. I always find products or eyeshadow with this shimmery one, but I don't find with a matte finish. So whenever I saw this palette, I thought of giving this a try, and I really like it. It's really worth money. You're getting 10 eyeshadow for $10. You can definitely get this palette from the e.l.f. I Live Face website. Also, you can get this at Target. Sometimes sales happen in the e.l.f. website, and even you can get this palette only for $5. Like $5. The original price is 10, but if there is a sale and if you are lucky enough, then you can definitely get this for $5. So yeah, that's my fourth product. Alright, as we are talking about eyeshadows, I'm going to mention 2 more eyeshadows from drugstore, which you can definitely get. This eyeshadow I think in everywhere, from starting from Walmart to Ulta to Amazon, everywhere. So I'm talking about this L'Oreal Paris Infallible eyeshadows. So here I'm showing you 2 of these. One is the color Amber Rush, and one more is in the color Golden Emerald. So these are the eyeshadow pots or eyeshadow pans. Looks like, look at that color, guys. Oh my god, it's beautiful. This eyeshadow retails for I think $6.9 and around $7. It's beautiful shimmery eyeshadow. I would say it's most of a pressed pigment, because it's so highly intense that you can never go wrong with this if you are trying to opt for a very pop-up festive look, or if you are going for party or prom night. Definitely you should give this a try. I'm going to give you guys a little swatch of 2 of these. Alright, there you go, guys. This is Amber Rush, beautiful champagne rose gold color, and this one is Golden Emerald, which is a beautiful Christmassy green with the hints of golden shimmer under it. I have also done a look using this eyeshadow, which is the Golden Emerald. If you want to see how it looks on my eyes like before purchasing, then definitely I'll link that video in the description box below. Also, I forgot to tell you guys that I have also done a separate review on this foundation, which is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin. As I mentioned, if you want to see how it looks on skin and all, then I'll link that video in the description box below. Do check that out, guys. I always link all the products which I mentioned in all of my videos, so do check out this video description box. So now coming to my 6th product, I'm talking about a mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I have also mentioned you guys this one in one of my favorites video. I love this mascara, and if I would run out of this mascara, then definitely I'm going to repurchase it. I like this mascara to apply it, on my lower lash line. Now you must be thinking that Shrumi, I'm not going to pick two mascara, one for upper lashes and one for lower lashes. This is not only meant for lower lashes. I personally love it to use on my lower lashes because it has a very teeny tiny thin wand, like so. So whenever I apply mascara on my lower lashes with a big wand mascara, then I always get mess up, and all of my mascara will touch into my under eye area and I normally get mess up. So I always try to use this mascara because it has very precision small wand, so I can never go wrong with this. You can definitely use this mascara on your upper lashes also, guys. This is not only meant for lower lashes. Also, this mascara will give very nice long length to your eyelashes. If you have very short eyelashes, then definitely you should give this a try, but it won't give you much of volume. I have used this mascara, but I haven't seen this mascara giving me tons of volume on my eyelashes, but definitely it lengthens my eyelashes. So that's the sixth one. Okay, so now coming to the seventh one. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about my eyebrows. So recently I started using this product to fill my eyebrows, and I think you will have known what I'm talking about. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. This is how it looks like. This retails for I think 8 to 9 bucks. You can find this on Amazon, you can find this on Walmart, Target, Ulta, everywhere. In one side of this eyebrow pencil, it has the eyebrow pencil like normal. In another side, it has the spoolie. So after applying your eyebrow pencil on your eyebrow, you can just pull it out so that it will evenly distribute your product all over your eyebrows. I got my shade brunette. It comes also in 3 to 4 colors: blonde, brunette, dark brunette and black. I guess I'm not sure it comes with black or not, but yeah, definitely 3 or 4 shades. It has also that very precision wand, so that you can never go wrong. If you have very thin eyebrows also, you can definitely apply very precisely without worrying that your eyebrows are getting messing up. So yeah, that's the seventh one. After using this eyebrow pencil on my eyebrows, I also like to top it up with one more product, which leads to my 8th product, and that is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Pro Plumper. And this is how it looks like. This is the first one, and I have been using this product from so long, you guys. It's been I think 5 to 6 months I have been using this product. I always like to top my eyebrows with some kind of a tinted eyebrow gel, so that my eyebrows will keep on its place for so long, like up to evening if I have done my makeup from morning also. So after applying my eyebrow pencil, I just go over on top of my eyebrows just like this, and just like to comb it up so that all my eyebrows here will keep intact and it will not move whatsoever. Alright, so coming to my 9th product, and this is a bronzer by Physician Formula. This is the Physician Formula Bronze Booster, and I got my shade in medium to dark. I know it retails for around $12 to $13. Like, you must be thinking it is not for $10 to me, but I always suggest you guys to stack off your coupons and see for some sale. Whenever any sale is going on, then definitely go pick it up, and you can definitely get this for $10. I purchased this from Target, I think long back, and that time there was a sale going on, and I just got this for $5 off, so I got it for around 8 or 9 bucks. You can definitely get this from Ulta, and Ulta always have that buy one get second for 50% off like that, and you can definitely show some coupon, like if you purchase of $15 or more, you can get $3.50 off. So try to get some coupons, online coupons or even hard copy, and see for some sale and get your makeup product little bit less as compared to the normal price. So this is the product looks like. It's a very natural kind of bronzer. It doesn't give you much of color to it. So if you are looking for a very natural bronzer without looking much muddy or very orangey ashy undertone, then I would definitely suggest you guys to go for this. It also comes with a brush over here, which I normally don't use. Also comes with a decent size of mirror, just to touch up or while applying your bronzer. So yeah, that is the bronze booster. The only thing which I don't like, that Fashion Formula always lacks with shades. Even this one and even the other one, which is the butter bronzer, that is I think way beyond light than this, so I thought of mentioning this. I also like that as well, but I feel this is little bit darker than the butter bronzer. So this bronzer comes only in 2 or 3 shade, I guess. I think only in 2 shade. So Fashion Formula, by any means, if you are watching, so Fashion Formula, if by any means if you are watching this, then please come up with some more darker shade even in this bronze booster and even on that butter bronzer, so that wide number of people can use this. So alright guys, so that was my 9th one. Now coming to the last but not the least, I thought of showing one of the lip option, and today I'm going to talk about this lipstick, which is by Gerard Cosmetics, and this is in the color, or this is in the shade 1995. I have shown you guys in my July favorite also. So this is a beautiful new lipstick which has a little bit of that brown or brick red undertone. You can use this lipstick on any time of the year, and it is also not going to wash you off. Even though it's nude, but still it is going to give you a little bit of warmth, little bit of color to your lips, which I always like. I know this lipstick doesn't retail for around $10. I think it retails for 15 or something, but in Gerard Cosmetics you can always find some sale. Like from last 2 to 3 months I have been watching and I have been following Gerard Cosmetics on my Instagram, and they always post and let you guys know that whenever there is a sale going on. And I think this sale is still going on their website. You can find 3 of the lipstick for I think $25 or $27. Or else you can choose one of the lipstick in the bullet form, like so, one of the liquid lipstick and one of the lip gloss. So ultimately if you calculate, you are just paying for around 10 or even less than $10. Even I got this lipstick when there was a sale going on. I have shown you guys in my haul, and I told you guys that I have paid only $20 or $25 for 3 lipsticks. So before purchasing, always try to find if there is a coupon code or even there is a sale going on, and you can definitely find some of the regular price item in less price. So yeah, so alright guys, those are all of my top 10 under 10. I hope you will have enjoyed this and find some of the new product to try, and I hope this video is helpful. If you want me to do more videos like so, like top 5 under 5, top 10 under 10, even I'm planning to do a top 6 under 6, because I have seen some of my favorites makeup item are not $5 but not even $10, like it's around $6. So I thought of doing a top 6 under 6. If you are interested, then please give this video a big thumbs up and just comment below and let me know if you are interested to see that top 6 under 6, and I would love to do that for you guys. And if you haven't checked my top 5 under 5, then I'll link that video in the description box below, so you can find some more item like under $5. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you will have enjoyed this, and if you are new to here, then please, before leaving out my channel, click out on that subscribe button so that you will get notified whenever I'll upload this type of videos. Then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.